Don't know what road we're on.
Thank you, Benny.
I don't know what we're heading towards, but I know my heart is all yours. All my friends tell me I'd be better off on